Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO consultant. So let's get started on the question I have today, and the question is: should I create branded keywords in their own campaign? Does this create too many campaigns, or should I just use one ad group per branded keywords? Okay, for those who don't know, it's a question related to Google Ads. So let me be very specific with this. That the question is for Google Ads. Now, let me answer all the questions. First of all, does this create too many campaigns? Okay, there are no issues, with creating too many campaigns. It's numbers in a thousand, like you can create 18, 19,000 campaigns, so that are sufficient because 19,000 is a big number. So you guys can create as much campaigns as you want as per convenience. But except the campaign, I suggest creating your own ad groups is a very good strategy. For branded keywords, you can have a separate ad group rather creating a specific campaign, separate campaign for those keywords. Believe that for in case if you want to do a keyword differentiation, the best strategy is to have them added in a single ad group for the branded keywords. And your question regarding should I just use one ad group per branded keyword, it's up to you. You can use as much as you want. Even I, in some campaigns I prefer skag, where there is a single keyword for each ad group. That is, that can give you highly relevancy because you are going to create a specific customized ad for that keyword. So in my opinion, it's no harm that you are going to create as much ad groups you want for those. And I hope this answers your question regarding should I create branded keywords in their own campaign. So yes, you can, whatever you like, but the account structure and the SOPs for the Google says that the relevancy is the main thing. So in case if you are relevancy concerned and you want to optimize your quality score and CTR, there is nothing better than having one keyword in an ad group, and you can create as much ad groups you're gonna like. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads management services, or SEO services, or web development services, just simply click on the link in the description, and me and my team can help you, work you, and get your campaign sorted out. And in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So I hope, take care, enjoy, bye bye.